Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for another hidden gem alert. Check this out. ZILLIQUA is my hidden gem of today that I want to share with you. And let's start right here with this NFT campaign on a custom marketplace featuring 10 great global football players. ZILLIQUA is all on this today. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm so excited to bring this hidden gem to you. It's only 11 cents. It's up 13% today. This is the place to be to grow your brand and to grow your bank account. Let's go ahead and dive in. Now, ZILLIQUA is trading at 11 cents, up 13% today. And you know what? This has so much room to grow. And some of the news that recently came out of here, I just had to deliver some of this to you today. Ranked number 65, and we're going to dive into exactly what ZILLIQUA does and some of the things I feel like it's going to do in the future, and a price prediction as well. Now, what I was showing you on here is ZILLIQUA. Check this out. ZLF rewards for playing on the ZILLFlip.com are back. A single user can collect up to 5 ZLF per week for every 5 ZIL play you earn. So ZILLIQUA is getting involved in the rewards and the calculating systems. They're all about giving back to the community. So the distribution is on our, because every Sunday, rewards are calculated weekly. Become a liquidity provider for double rewards. So I wanted to show you that before I dive into what ZILLIQUA does, but this is rewards. Everybody likes rewards. They like to get involved, and the liquidity pool is something that is really, really good. Now, this is what ZILLIQUA is. It is the world's first public blockchain built entirely on the sharded architecture. So this is kind of one of a kind with scalability, secure, and decentralized. So they are all three of them exactly what they stand for. Now, they enable new use cases that have a high throughout demand, which could not be fulfilled by legacy public blockchains. And I'm going to show you this as well, safety first as well. ZILLIQUA, not only do they have the rewards, but they have a lot of upcoming projects that's built on the ZILLIQUA ecosystem. The Polar Protocol, the ZIL Swap, the ZIL Swap, ETH, ZIL Bridge, Ethereum ZIL Bridge, okay. More stable coins, new exchanges, on-ramp provider, new token launch, lender DApp, and NFT index fund. See, the NFT is big there. The NFT is big here because just check this out. With this here, our first NFT campaign, I'm gonna go ahead and play this. Our first NFT campaign on the custom marketplace featuring 10 great global football players. Now, this is good because this is positive news. NFT is being spreaded around, and ZILLIQUA is all on this as well. Go ZIL from Indo. I love you, ZIL. People love ZIL, I'm telling you. And the ZILLIQUA, with this price, what it is right now, 11 cents, is an absolutely steal with all the positive news that's coming out, and it's more to come. My price prediction, man, in the bull run, this is definitely $1. This may be $2 actually. This may be $2, but definitely $1, $1.50 is my price prediction in this bull run. That's my price prediction as well as more news come out. And check this out. This is happening as well. It's saying to say April, May at ZILLIQUA was interesting would be understatement. Surpassed 20 million TXN kicked off NFT project with UFF Sports title with NFL alumni powered by XCAD token, and then strategize the China growth, and then much more to come. They even have a highlights of all the positive things that came out from April through May, and they put it on their blog, and you can check this out as well. There's a couple of things that they're done. Well, ain't a couple of things. It's more things they've done. You can read this. I'll have this blog in the description box. You can go ahead and read this. The highlights of ZILLIQUA from April through May. And they're doing big things. They're doing big things. They're kind of, they're changing the game in their own right. They're pushing the boundary. They're scaling the network. The low gas fees is something that I'm looking at because there are high gas fees on other projects, and fees on ZILLIQUA are extremely low due to scalability. Fees on ZILLIQUA are extremely low, even allowing micropayments to be processed. So that's something to really look for. And they have a really nice system. They have a design story with network sharding, they got the protocol and efficiency as well. I'm just looking at some of this stuff. Yeah, one block is all it takes. So man, I'm really excited about ZILLIQUA in the future of this. The price prediction is between 1 and 150. In my opinion, probably going to be more about $3, to be honest with you, just because of NFT projects and the fact that they kind of have things, you know, really organized with scalability, secure, and decentralized. And they have a pretty good deal. I mean, they got these highlights that represent all the positive things they've done with the NFTs and all the information they've done. I really, really like this. This is definitely an underrated project. 11 cents is laughable. Oh my goodness. I smell opportunity, and then I hear that knock on the door. It is opportunity to really, really dive more into this actually project. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I purchase Zilliqa and why Zilliqa? Well, Zilliqa, you actually can get it on Binance, 𝐿coin, as well. You can get it on crypto.com. I got it on crypto.com as well. You can get this on Uphold. So I'll have the link in the description box for Uphold. You can go ahead and get Zilliqa. Take a look at it. It's very simple and very easy to do. And you can get Zilliqa very, very simple. And matter of fact, on my test account, this is my test account, I'll log in and show you where you can get Zilliqa. So when you come in Uphold right now, there's Zilliqa right there, but you can go over to your markets and you can type in ZIL if you need to, and you clicked it right there. See, 11 cents, has it right here. And then you can go ahead and purchase it right here. So I'll show you. Add your bank account, very simple, Uphold. And then you click on click on use. And then you find Zilliqa. You can actually go ahead and find it by typing it in if you need to. Zilliqa account. And then there you go. I can say, hey, I want 100. Hey, $100 worth of Zilliqa. And then you go ahead and do it, preview deposit, and you're good to go. This will show you how to purchase it on Uphold. I use Uphold on a weekly basis, almost everyday basis. So I think it's a really easy platform to purchase cryptocurrency and more stuff as well. So Zilliqa price, I really believe this is $1.50 in the future, mainly because of NFTs and mainly because all the extra projects and the reward system that they have here. And also what they have is more exciting news that's coming out. So take a look at Zilliqa. I'll have the link in the description to purchase Zilliqa and to do your research as well. My name is Adam Shelton. So thank you for watching this video today, because this is the place to be, to grow your brand, and to grow your bank account. And we can learn something today about growing that bank account today, because the more education you know, the more that bank account is going to grow. All right, I'll see you later on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video.